How to restart your Samsung device without using the power button. What's up everyone, welcome back to another quick tutorial video. In this tutorial I'm going to be showing you guys few cool ways that you can restart your phones without using your power button. So let's say if your power button is malfunctioning or it's stuck in the middle and you're not able to use it, then here are a few ways that you can restart your phone. So the first one is, if you swipe down on your notification panel and then swipe down again, you will see this power option right here. It will bring out your power menu. So right besides your battery, you will see this power button. You can tap on it and then this will open up your power menu. Now the second option that you can do is, if you go ahead and open your phone settings, scroll down to advanced features, and from here, if you scroll down, you will see this option. Tap on labs. And if you go back and tap on the accessibility settings, you will see interaction and dexterity. Here you have an option to bring out your assistant menu. So just tap on it and your assistant menu will appear on your screen. So right here, here is your menu and you can have different options. To bring out your power menu, you can simply swipe here and then tap on the power off menu option, and you can restart your phone from here. Now the other option is, if you go ahead and open your advanced features, here you will see your Bixby. Make sure that your Bixby is turned on. So what you can do here is use your voice activation for Bixby. So I'm going to say, "Hey Bixby." I'm currently using my microphone for the screen recording, so I'm not able to activate it, but you can activate your Bixby by saying "Hey Bixby" or "Hi Bixby." Then you can just say "Restart phone" and then it will automatically restart your phone. If you found the video helpful, hit the like button and subscribe. I will see you on the next one.